Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Park on level ground, engine off, key out, and set the parking brake. Put on gloves and eye protection so you don't get acid or sparks on your skin. Open the hood and find the battery, identify the negative terminal marked, and the positive marked plus. Now, using a properly sized wrench, loosen the negative terminal clamp first and pull it free. This prevents accidental shorting. Once done, tuck the disconnected negative cable away from the battery to avoid contact. With the negative cable safely isolated, loosen and remove the positive terminal clamp and move that cable aside as well. Next, locate and remove the hold-down clamp or bolts that secure the battery to the tray. These can be under a plastic cover or a metal bar. Inspect the tray for corrosion. If there's buildup, take a moment to brush it away with a wire brush or baking soda solution to neutralize acid. Then, using 2 hands and keeping the battery upright, lift it straight out. Batteries are heavy, so brace your knees and avoid tipping. Place the replacement battery upright into the tray and resecure the hold-down clamp so the battery cannot move. Once seated, connect the positive, red terminal first and tighten the clamp snugly. Then connect the negative, black terminal and tighten. Make sure connections are clean, free of corrosion, and tight but not over-torqued. After reinstalling, start the engine to confirm operation and reset accessories if needed. If the vehicle won't start, check that clamps are actually making metal contact. Inspect related fuses.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.